अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे आप सब लोग? On behalf of some comments, they told me to make a video on English, so that's why today I'm gonna make a video in English. Please give me a feedback. In future, you want videos in English or else you want in Hindi. So today's our topic is TS, ESET and MSET and PolySET, in which we are gonna talk about exam date schedule, exam will be postponed or not, admit card, when is the counseling and the exam date. Okay, channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So TS ESET exams already application date has been finished. With fine you can pay now. So application corrections date you can changes. The member who has already applied, they can do a corrections in between 24th to 27th, and you will get an admit card in the date of 27 to 30, and with fine of 5000 rupees you can pay till June 29th, and with the fine of 10,000 rupees you can pay till 1st July, and your exam will be held in between 4th July to 18th July, and the examination timing will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the morning hours, and in the evening hours 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And I request to students to write an exams, because due to this lockdown there is a less more competition. There are the many students which are not giving an exams. If you write this exam, you will be having a great chance to get admissions in big universities. So let's talk about TS MSET's examination fee date. 19th Feb till 10th July, but with 500 rupees fine, the date has been finished, even though yet 1000 rupees fine. If you want to pay examination fee, you need to pay with 5000 rupees fine till June 25. If you want to pay with 10,000 rupees fine in till 30th June. So examination date will be in between 6 to 9 July, and the admit card you will get in 23rd to 3rd July. So the exam timing will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And even though in the TS Polyset, online registration has been already finished on June 12th. The exam is on 1st to July, and the counseling will be in the between in the month of July and in an August, and they are the result will be after 10, 15 to 20 days after the examination. As per the many students are thinking that if all sets exams are gonna cancel, but to inform you that there will be no postpone and no cancellation of this exam, because it's an entrance exam. If you didn't write this exam, there will be a no admissions in college, and they will take this exam, because in these exams there will be already social distancing, because we'll be giving exams on the online now. So it could be a social distancing, and they will provide sanitizers and many much more things to prevent from COVID-19. So all the best for the students. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.